Can I borrow your measuring tape? All right, so to create the cuff, so we have the sleeve. We're gonna measure our bottom. So I will say 5.5. 5.5. What?
Oh, the song, yeah. I love the song.
All right, grab another piece of paper. Our measurement is 5.5. So there's different type of sleeve. The sleeve we're gonna do for this one is a basic sleeve. I will say with no button extension, just for her arm to go through, because this is a wide measurement, right? We'll discuss more later on if it needs button extension. So what I'm gonna do is draw a straight line, no measurement yet, and I want to turn my ruler and draw another straight line to create my grain line. Okay. Now we want to make sure that we understand what type of cuff. So this type of cuff we're going to design here is a cuff that have a fold on the end of the sleeve. So this will be my fold line. I will label fold line. Okay. And then I want to decide the width of my cuff. So for this particular project, I will say, let's make the cuff about 1 inch. 1.25 inches. I'm going to draw another line. Okay. Now this is the width of the cuff that's going to be set into this bottom piece here. Now our measurement was 5.5. I'm going to measure. So 5.5 was the total measurement on my sample. So 5.5 times 2, that's... No, 5.5 times 2, that's no, divided by 2, sorry. 2.5, 2 3/4. So 2 3/4. 2 3/4. Measure on the opposite side. So you guys would notice what I did here. I didn't try to worry about knowing the measurement first. I just draw a straight line, get my measurements, then now I go in and draw another straight line going straight up. Another line going straight up. Now I have my cuff, right? And this is on the fold. So what I'm going to do here is grab the paper and I'm going to fold that fold line. This is a basic cuff. Okay. This is, let's put this here so you guys can see. This here is this part. That's the under armhole, right? I want you guys to understand what that is. Whatever your seam allowance here, this should be the same. So this is 1/2 inch. Where it's gonna get sewn, you need to know your seam allowance there is 1/2 inch. So put another 1/2 inch. And then we'll repeat the same thing here, 1/2 inch. Okay. Now we have our cuff. What we're going to do, while it's in this position, we want to cut it. Right, now we have our cuff. This is your grain line here. Okay, let's label grain line. And this will be cut too. Fuse. We always have to fuse our cuff. All right. Best advice here, we want to now pay attention to our notch. So if this piece is going to sit exactly in here and this have a little curve, right? And this is a straight line. Remember, anything on curve have a little thing, so we're going to need the notch. So there go our notches. Now, how do we sew this? Once you cut, you flip this like this. You sew this, then you reverse inside out, and it turns into a cuff. Or you can gather this piece, sew this to this, and then I'll show you guys in class how to clean it up. But don't sew it, I would just say wait. I just need you guys to get it to this point. Okay, so there go my cuff. This is a simple cuff. No button extension, nothing. And it's on the fold. This part go like that. All right. You guys can do it, I'm sure.
We'll attempt now.